Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel, The Humorous Foodies. Alright, so today we have a really nice special dish on this happy occasion of Eid. We have made a nice chicken dish with this chicken Hyderabadi biryani. If it's Eid, it has to be biryani, right? So today we made a simple chicken Hyderabadi biryani and it's really easy, really simple. We have used ingredients which enhances the flavor and makes this biryani to the next level. So if you want to know how we have made it, you need to watch the video. So let's get to cooking.
In a mixing bowl, add about 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste to 750 grams of boneless chicken. Now we're going to add some spices. So first we're going to begin with 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. And now for the spicier one, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. You may use more or less, depends upon your spice levels. To this we're going to add about half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Can you see those 3 colors? They look amazing together, right? Now we're going to squeeze in half a lemon. This will help to bring out the acidic flavors to the marination. To this we're going to add 1 cup of whipped curd or beaten curd, whatever you may call it. And now we're going to add some coriander leaves. So we've used roughly about 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. And now for the minty flavor, we've added about 2 tablespoons of chopped mint leaves. We've also added some green chilies. And we've used 1 fried onion. So it's 1 onion that is thinly sliced and fried until golden brown. And now we're going to give this a really good mix. As you can see guys, all the colors, the spices, the flavors are mixing so well. Trust me, this is going to be an amazing marination. But can you guess, we are forgetting one really good ingredient, and trust me, it is so important. Guys, it is salt, right? So we're going to add some salt as per taste. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee, which is unclarified butter. And again, with the help of our hands, we're going to mix this really well. And refrigerate this for about an hour. So in the meantime, we're going to heat up a pot which has 3 cups of water in it. To this, we're going to add some salt as per our taste. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And we've used about 2 tablespoons of regular oil. To this we're adding 4 cloves, 3 green cardamoms, and 4 cinnamon sticks. Now we're going to add a half a lemon. So squeeze in half a lemon. And this is going to bring out amazing flavors to the rice. So once this is done, we're going to bring this to a boil, and it may take about 2 to 3 minutes. And post that, we're going to add our rice. So we've used basmati rice, which was washed and soaked for about an hour. So now give this a really good mix and cook it until it's 80% done. Now you're going to heat up another skillet and use some oil. We have used the oil in which we fried the onions. And to this we're going to add the marinated chicken. As you can see, the marination has coated the chicken amazingly. These flavors are going to be really good, guys. You can trust me on this. And now you may slow cook this. So it would take roughly about 10 to 12 minutes. And the chicken has got to be very soft and moist on the inside. Can you see that sizzle, guys? It's looking really good. Now to a new vessel, we're going to add some ghee and spread it out on the base. To this, we're going to add some rice that we just cooked. So you may add a thin layer or you may add a thick layer. That totally depends on your choice. We have added a thin layer. And over this, we're going to add our cooked chicken. So make sure the chicken is placed in the center and not on the sides. If it's on the sides, it may burn, so try to keep it at the center. Now we're going to add some more rice on the top. Basically, this is called layering, guys. This is what's required in a biryani dish. And over this, we're going to add some more chicken. Again, place the chicken in the center. Now on the top, we're going to add some more fried onions. It's going to bring out an excellent flavor. And now we're going to add some more rice. So make sure you have cooked sufficient rice, guys. We have cooked roughly about 2 cups of rice. Now you may add some more onions on the top and spread it out evenly. To this, we're going to add some more ghee. It brings out a luxurious flavor. Now we're going to top this with some chopped coriander leaves. And now we're going to cook this biryani. Okay, so it's not over, guys. We got to place a silver foil on the top and gently, I repeat, gently seal the edges. Be careful the foil doesn't have to tear. Now you may heat up a flat pan. And over this, we are going to place the skillet and let this cook for about 30 minutes or so. So cover it and cook it for 30 minutes. And as you can see, guys, it's steaming, it's hot, it's yum. It looks delicious, right? And yes, guys, this is now ready to eat. Hey guys, I hope you like that recipe. It's really easy, it's really simple, it's delicious, and you know what, this one specially goes out to all our friends and family and the neighboring countries, everyone who celebrates Eid. So this one's to you guys. Eid Mubarak to everyone, and I hope you like our recipe. Please go ahead, give us a like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget, ding dong, the bell icon. Stay tuned for more, guys.
And this is Humorous Foodie signing off. Take care, enjoy, and hasta la vista.